Perched on the edge of Europe, a defiant bastion of British soil stands guard over the Mediterranean. This is Gibraltar, a microcosm of history, a melting pot of cultures, and a marvel of natural wonder.
That look on your face, is that fire that you feel for me? 'Cause your words don't match the feeling. Paint a picture for me.
Home to the only wild monkeys in Europe, these mischievous macaques add a touch of the unexpected to this otherwise austere landscape. But Gibraltar is more than just playful primates. It's a fortress, a gateway, and a symbol of enduring human ambition.
Who am I to you? And are we built to last? Will you stay for good? Are you from the past life? Feel alive. I've known you before. Name the time and the place. You can count on me.
Rising dramatically from the sea, the Rock of Gibraltar is a haven for biodiversity. From elusive Barbary falcons to the vibrant flora of the Upper Rock Nature Reserve, this unique ecosystem thrives in this unexpected corner of the world.
Just like you. I know it's always been you.
The airport serving Gibraltar is actually located within the territory itself, making it unique. The runway is crossed by Winston Churchill Avenue, a main road that connects Gibraltar to the Spanish mainland. This unusual arrangement means that whenever a plane is landing or taking off, traffic on the road is stopped by barriers and traffic lights. It's quite a sight to see. While technically within Gibraltar, the airport's proximity to Spain makes it a convenient option for travelers visiting both locations.
I travel far and wide to meet you. Tell me you're here for good this time. Fast and strong, just like you. I know it's always been you.
For centuries, Gibraltar has been a strategic stronghold. Its commanding position at the entrance to the Mediterranean has made it a coveted prize for empires. The Great Siege of Gibraltar, a grueling 3-year battle against the Spanish and French, stands as a testament to its enduring importance. Today, Gibraltar is a vibrant melting pot of cultures. British, Spanish, and Moroccan influences blend seamlessly, creating a unique and cosmopolitan atmosphere. A thriving port city, Gibraltar serves as a vital hub for trade and commerce. Cruise ships glide through its waters, carrying visitors from around the globe to this captivating corner of the world. From its dramatic cliffs to its rich history, Gibraltar is a place where the past and present collide. A testament to human resilience and the enduring power of nature, this remarkable corner of the world continues to captivate and inspire.